The fifth letter of the Hebrew alphabet is a Hey. Looks kind of like he, but it's Hey. And this letter begins a lot like the Dalet. So it comes over horizontally at the top, comes down vertically, but then we finish it off with a vertical stroke over on the left side. And we need to make sure that there's a definite gap right there. Some people will round this a little bit, and that's okay. The main thing is that you have to have a gap there. The Masoretic text typically makes this pretty right angle, pretty clear right angle. And then this vertical stroke on the other side, that is what we have to be clear about, that there's a gap there. This is important because there's another letter called a chet, which is very similar, but it's closed off over on this side. So there's no gap. And so if we make our hey with not much of a gap, notice it's going to look a lot like a chet. So we need to make a pretty pronounced gap over here on the top left. The hey is pronounced as a hard H, as in he or her. If a hey appears at the end of a word, it can serve a different function, and that way it's going to be like at the end of the word Sarah, and it won't be pronounced at all. But that's really a different function. It's acting like a vowel in this case, not as a consonant. As a consonant, it is pronounced with a hard H sound, as in he or her. So that is our hey.